Hello students, welcome to all. Today we are going to talk about fact about HCF and LCM. We already talked previous video about what HCF and what LCM and how you find out HCF of a given number and LCM of a given number. Now we talk about the fact of HCF and LCM. The first fact. The HCF of two co-prime number, the HCF of, it means highest common factor of two co-prime numbers is 1. Okay, two co-prime number. Which is co-prime number? I will give some example. So, co-prime number, two co-prime numbers HCF is 1. Okay, the same, the LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. Okay, let me take some example. The HCF of 5 and 6 is 1. How? HCF of 5 and 6 is 1. You know very well how to find out HCF. It means first we have to find out the factor and we have to choose the common factor. Okay. Then that is the highest factor. It means highest factor, common factor. Okay. So first we take 5. If you take 5, tell me the 5 table. So 1 5 is equal to 5. So 1 table. Okay. 1 5 is equal to 5. Then again 5 table. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Only 2. If you collect the factor, how many factors are there? 1, 5. Only 2 factor. Okay, now find out 6 factor. 2 3s are 6. Okay, then 1 6 is equal to 6. Then there is no factor. So if you correct the factor 1, 2, 3, 6. If you notice it, in these two numbers have some common factor. 1, here 1. This is the highest common factor of both these numbers. So 1 is the highest common factor of this number. So that's why the HCF of two co-prime number is 1. The LCM of two co-prime number is their product. How? Now we will find out LCM of 5 and 6. So LCM of 5 and 6 is their product. It means if you find out LCM, you know, least common multiple. So least common multiple, if you take 5, if you multiply by 5, 5 once is equal to 5. Okay, then 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So if you collect the factor, here 5 into 2 into 3. Total 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. So 30 is the least common multiple of 5 and 6. If you multiply directly 5 into 6, 30. So that's why the LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. So 5 and 6 is equal to 30. If you can find like this or this way. You know very well how to find out a least common multiple. So you just use this method and you can collect the factor. And if you multiply that, you can get the prime factor. Okay. So this is the way. This is the first fact of HCF and LCM. Welcome students. Let me see the second factor about fact about HCF and LCM. You know very well the first fact. What is first fact? Okay. Now we will see the second fact. If two numbers are factor and multiple of each other. Each other means, it means if you take example 5 and 20, 20 is the multiple of 5. 5 is the factor of 20. So this is the both are factor and multiple. Both are equal number. Both are same number. Means 5 is the factor of 20. 20 is the multiple of 5. I will tell you some example that you can understand. So this kind of number, if it is come, then the smaller number is the HCF. Smaller number 5 is the HCF. Then the bigger number is the LCM of the two numbers. 20 is the LCM. If you face this kind of number, if you want to find out LCM or HCF, this kind of number, if it is comes in your examination or wherever maybe, you can easily find out using this fact. You can easily find out which is HCF, which is LCM. That's why I am telling these facts. If you use this rule, this is a fact. Okay. If this kind of numbers comes in your examination, 5 and 20, find their LCM and HCF of 5 and 20. If this kind of questions will come, you don't need to do the calculation as normal calculation. You can find easily 5 is the HCF, 20 is the LCM. How? I will tell you the normal method, basic method. We can find also that method, use that method, but without that calculation, without that basic calculation, you can find easily use this rules and regulations, facts. So when the two numbers are factor and multiple of each other, it means 5 is the multiple of 20. So 20 is the 5 is the factor of 20. 20 is the multiple of 5. So we know very well. First I will tell you how 20 is the multiple of 5. So 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. So this is the 20 is the multiple of 5. Okay. Now I will tell you how 5 is the factor of 20. I will tell you 20, 4 5s are 20. Okay. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. So here, if you take 20 is the factor. 5 is the factor of 20. Now let me take 5. 5 ones are 5. If you correct the factor, 5 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 1. Okay. Here this kind of factor only 5. If you correct both are factors in common factor, here 1 5, here common. So 5 is the factor of 5, factor of 20. So now this is the example. So see the factor, second factor, if the number two numbers, each of them multiple or factor, the small number is HCF, bigger number is LCM. So that's why I tell you this one. So 20 is the multiple of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 is the multiple of 5. So 5 is the factor of 20. We can say easily. Then 20 is the multiple of 5. So 5 into 5 4s are 20, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s 2. So if you correct the factor 5, 2, 2, 1, then 5 if you find the factor of 5, 5 1s are 5. So 5 only one factor. So if you take the factor, common factor, 5 is the common factor. So this is the HCF of 20. Okay, then highest common factor of 25. Then LCM of 5 and 20. LCM of 5 and 20. 20 is the LCM. Now I will tell you. So you know very well. Don't confuse students. See, 5 is the factor of 20. You know very well. Then 20 is the multiple of 5. So let me. I told you some example. So now 5 is the factor of 20. Okay. So here HCF is 5, then LCM is 20. So least common multiple is 20. Welcome students. Let me talk about the fact about third fact, HCF and LCM. Okay. Before we talk about the fact 1 and 2, now we will discuss about third fact. What says third fact? Listen, the product of the LCM and HCF of two numbers is equal to the product of the two number. Actually, product means we know. When we multiply the two number, we got some result. That number is called product. So, first we have to find out LCM and HCF of any number, any two number. We have to find out LCM and HCF. That LCM and HCF we have to multiply the both number. The total of the product of HCF LCM is equal to that two number. I will tell you some example. What is that? Consider the number 12 and 15. These two number 12 and 15. Now I am going to find out HCF and LCM. After find HCF and LCM, I am going to multiply the two number, that product, and this two number 12 and 15. If you multiply these two number, this product, both are equal. That says third fact. How? See, I will find out first of all 12 and 15 HCF. You know how to find HCF. HCF means common factor, highest common factor. You know what is factor, what is multiple. Because we discussed many times, many videos I told you, factor means what, multiple means what. Okay, we know very well. So now we will find out highest common factor of 12 and 15. So first we find out common factor, then after find out highest common factor which is, okay. So before that, how we find the factor? Through this method. Okay, I will take 12 first. First find out the factor. This way, okay? Okay. 6 2s are 12. Okay. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then 3 1s are 3. Let me collect the factor. So 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. These all are factors of 12. Let me find out 15. Okay, so we take 3. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1s is equal to 5. So let me take and write the factors of 15. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. So 12, the factor of 12, 2 into 2 into 3. The factor of 15, 3 into 5. Now these both factor, which is the common factor. First we have to find out common factor. Here see 2, there is no 2. Here 3 is there. 5, there is no 5. So here 3, this 3, common factor. So this is the HCF of 12 and 15 is 3. 3 is the highest and common factor. So we find out HCF. Now we want to find out LCM. Already we find, now I will tell you how to find LCM. LCM means we know the factors of these two number. Which number? 12 and 15. 5 here 15 a factor 3 and 5 and 1. Here 12 factor 2, 2, 3 and 1. We know very well. So use this factor, we find out the LCM, least common multiple. Okay. So what I will do, first I will write, I am going to find out LCM. So I will collect the factor of these two number. I am going to collect the all the factors of this number. So first 2 into 2 into 3, okay, then here 3 into 5. So this is 12, this is 15 factors. Here now we want to pull out the common, it means least factor. So here 2, how many times here? 2 times. Here there is no 2. Okay? Here 2 times 2 is there. See. 2 times 2. 1 times 3. 1 times 5. So 2 times 2. I will take 2 into 2. 1 time 3. So I will take 3. 1 time 5. So I will take 5. If you multiply this all, 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So now LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. Now what is the fact? The product of the LCM and HCF. We want to product. We find LCM, already we find HCF. So HCF is 3, LCM is 60. So 360 is equal to 180. HCF is 3, LCM is equal to 60. So 360 is equal to 180. So we got product. Now we want to check the product is equal to product of the two number. These two number, if you multiply these two number, we got some product. That product and this product equal. That is a fact. Now shall we try? 12 into 15. 12 by 15 how much? See, I will do here. 12 into 15. 5 2s are 10. 0. So remainder 1. 5 1s 5. 5 plus 1 6. So 60. 1 2 is 2. 1 is 1. Here 0 8 1 8. If you multiply your own, because there is no place, so I will write some mistake. There is no place. So listen. So 12 into 15 180. So 12 into 15 180 is equal to 3 into 60 180. So that's the third product. The product of the LCM and HCF. See the product of the HCF and LCM. You find LCF 3, LCM 60. If you multiply HCM and LCM 180 we got. So the two number 12 and 15. If you multiply the two number, that product also 180. So both are equal. This is the third product. Okay. Hello students. Welcome to all. Okay. Today we will talk about the fourth fact. Okay. The HCF of given numbers. The HCF of given numbers is always a factor of the LCM. Okay. The HCF of given number is always factor of the LCM. So we want to prove that. So that's why I will take some example number 60 and 24. Let me find out HCF and LCM. Okay. If the HCF is factor of LCM or not, we will check. Do you understand what I am telling? We have to find out HCF, which is highest common factor. That factor is factor of LCM or not. We have to find out LCM and HCF. That HCF is it factor or not? That LCM. Let me check one by one. First I will find out HCF. You know very well how to find out HCF. So first I will find out the factor of 16. So 16. 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Now I will find out 24. 2 12s are 24. 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Let me collect and write all the factors. 16 factors, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Let me collect and write all the factors of 24. 24s. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So these all are factors of 16 and 24s. Now we want to first find out common factor. It means these are the factor which is common factor. Here 2 common, here 2 common, here 2 common, here 3 1, here 2 1 times. So these all are common factor. So first we find out common factor. Common factor is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So total 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is the HCF. 8 is the HCF. It means highest common factor. Okay. So I find out HCF. Now I am going to find out LCM using these factors. So least common multiple, you know very well. Already I have written here 2 how many times here? 3 times. Here 4 times. So which is least? It means highest. How number of times high? Number of times repeated which is high? It means these are 4 times. So I will take 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here 3 only one time. That's the highest time. So I will take 3. So if you multiply that, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 60. No, 16 3s are 48. Yes. So 16 3s are 48. Okay, 16 3s are 48. Now LCM is equal to 48. Okay, now see, the HCF of given numbers is always factor of the LCM. LCM is 48, HCF is 8. So 8 is also factor of 48. Yes or no? See, I will tell you. Factor means what? Completely divide without zero. There is no remainder. It's called factor. You know very well. Factor means completely divide. There is no remainder. There is no remainder. It's called factor. So I will take check 48. How many times 8 is there in 48? 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. So remainder 0. So 8 is the factor of LCM. See, LCM is 48. HCF is 8. So 8 is the factor of LCM. So this is the fact is says like this. Understand now? 48 is the LCM. 8 is the HCF. The HCF is factor of LCM. This says this fact. So I prove it. What is factor? Factor means which number divides without remainder. Which number divides without remainder. That number is called factor. Okay. So 8 is the HCF, 48 is the LCM. I divide remainder the 0. So 8 is the factor of LCM. So HCF is factor of LCM. Now I proved it. Use this example. I prove it. LCF is factor of LCM. Factor means, okay, you know, understand which number you divide without remainder. That is called factor. So I divide 48. LCM is the 48. 8 is the HCF. So I completely divide. Okay, 0. Remainder is 0. So 8 is the factor of LCM. HCF is the factor of LCM. I prove it.